When I came here, I didn't know English or Spanish, which is like commonly spoken in Guatemala. I just knew Acateco, my Mayan language of origin, and I didn't know how to speak anything. I didn't understand my teachers, my classmates, and it was hard.
There's some kids that just need a little push, and they bring them into this building, and now they got that push that they needed, and they took it and ran with it, and they're becoming future leaders.
I'm always very hopeful. I believe in the good side of humanity, and I know if we come together, we can achieve great things. And I think Path to College just brings the humanity out of people and just brings everyone together, just through mentorship and guidance.
Be able to pursue their dreams, their goals, and going to college and just striving for a better future.
Growing up, with my parents not having much, I aspired to be a better person for them.
You could do anything with anything just because it's you.
So PTC is giving underprivileged students the opportunity to shine. It's like they're finding the gems in the mud. Maybe like to the perspective of others, a school, a community is not worth trying to elevate, right? But PTC looks into that community.
I absolutely admire and really just respect Christine as well for seeing us for who we are and, you know, making sure that we feel like we belong. And that's something that I hope that Path to College continues to do as we grow and expand and become even greater.
Thank the PTC staff for everything. For these past few years, not years, 1 year, it's actually 1 year. And it's just crazy because 1 year, all it took was 1 year, and I'm like here. So I'm grateful for that.